is a quick overview of the Spot-On Basic WH Questions deck from Speech Corner. There are 50 double-sided cards, so you're provided with 100 total WH questions. At the beginning of the deck, you'll get a few cards detailing the research in support of its use, how to use it in therapy, and how to change the batteries on the Spot-On pen. Also included is an answer card that lists answers to all 100 questions. These cards are also subdivided by having 20 targeting each of the 5 W's. Now let's get to it and see these cards in action. If you want, you can press the Speech Corner logo on the pen to activate auditory feedback. The pen will always provide visual feedback, lighting up green for a correct answer or red for an incorrect. Each card has 1 question and 4 potential answers. All answers are in photographic form, so if the client doesn't read, they can still independently answer. When answering, the client will hear corrective feedback such as "try again" or "oops" when they mark the wrong answer, and encouraging phrases such as "great job" or "awesome" when they mark their answer correctly. When you can decide if you want both auditory and visual feedback or only visual. Spot-On decks are perfect for individual clients as well as groups.